How to remove brown spots from white sinks. Do you have hard water? Well, then you already know that hard water can leave brown stains in your white sink. Getting rid of those stubborn stains can be removed with just 2 simple ingredients. Just make a paste of 1 cup of borax with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Put some of the paste on a cloth and sponge or rub it into the stain. Let it sit until the paste is dry, then rinse with running warm water. The stain should wash away with the paste. For your protection, always remember to wear your protective gloves and goggles. Even though we're using natural ingredients to clean, they still can cause irritations to your skin. Thanks for hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts. We hope that these tips help to keep your home clean